Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 7.3 10th question. Time taken by a construction company to construct a flyover as a normal variate with mean 400 labor days and standard deviation of 100 labor days. If the company promises to construct the flyover in 450 days or less and agree to pay a penalty of rupees 10,000 for each labor day spent in excess of 450 days. What is the probability that your first subdivision, the company pays a penalty of at least 2 lakhs. Your second subdivision, the company takes at most 500 days to complete the flyover. Your question is, they are just constructing a flyover and for that the mean is given 400 labor days and the standard deviation is given 100 labor days. Okay, so in 450 days we'll have to complete it, otherwise less than 450 days we can complete it. But the next condition, if it is more than 450 days, per each day we'll have to pay 10,000 rupees as penalty. So if it goes more than 1 day, so we'll have to pay extra 10,000 rupees. Same way, like 2 days, 3 days, like that 20,000, 30,000, like that you'll have to pay extra. Okay, so if it is less than 450, no need to pay a penalty. What is the probability that the company pays a penalty of at least 2 lakhs? So extra 2 lakhs if they are paying means we should find how many days that is the work has exceeded. Okay, so that we'll have to find it first. Okay, so first given here mean is given 400. So mean mu is equal to 400 labor days. And your standard deviation, that is sigma, that is equal to 100 labor days is given. So you can write it as 100 labor days. Normal distribution formula is Z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. Now your first condition is the company pays a penalty at least rupees 2 lakhs. So you'll have to see how many days they have just taken extra. Okay, therefore the first condition, therefore number of days taken extra is equal to, that is your 2 lakhs divided by, per day it is given 10,000. Okay, so divided by 10,000. So if you divide it, you will get it as 20. Therefore 20 days they have taken extra to pay a penalty of 2 lakhs. Now the total number of days they have taken is, total number of days taken to complete the work is, already they have given 450 days plus extra they have taken 20 days. So totally 470 days they would have taken to finish up that work. Okay, so now they have asked you the company pays a penalty of at least 2 lakhs. Okay, so for at least we'll have to apply the condition. Therefore probability of the company pays a penalty of at least 2 lakhs. We can convert this to days, that is probability of total number of days taken at least 470, this 470 days. So since it is given at least, we can just write it as probability of x is greater than or equal to 470. At least is minimum. Okay, So minimum 470 and above you can have it. So x is greater than or equal to 470. So when x is equal to 470, we'll have to substitute in this distribution formula and get the value of z. Okay. So therefore z is equal to x is 470 minus your mu is here 400 divided by your sigma is 100. So subtracting 470 minus 400, you will get 70 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.7. Therefore, P of x is greater than or equal to 470. You can convert it to z as P of z is greater than or equal to this 0.7. Now you will have to shade this region in your diagram. Shading the region in the diagram. So z is in the middle. Z is equal to 0 here, z the value of z is 0. So we need it is greater than or equal to 0.7. So 0.7 will be here somewhere. So 0.7, straight to that just draw a line, and it is greater than or equal to 0.7. So greater means this side. So shade this region. So this region we'll have to find it. So normally here minus infinity and here plus infinity will be there, and here z is equal to 0.7. Okay, so this region you'll have to find it. Therefore, P of z is greater than or equal to 0.7, that you get as P of from 0 to infinity. This whole thing we'll have to calculate first. So that will be 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to infinity, minus, if you subtract this value, you will get this region. Okay, so P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0.7. So now you will have to get this value in your normal distribution table. So P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to infinity. So 3.9 we have got the value 0.5, and more than that you can see everywhere it is 0.5 only. So if it goes up to infinity also, you will get the value as 0.5. Therefore you can write it as P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to infinity is 0.5 minus, now P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0.7, you will have to find it. 0.7 in your table, you can see it here 0.7, straight to that this value, that is 0.2580, that is the value of 0.7. Okay, so 0.2580. So you'll have to subtract it. If you subtract it, you will get your answer as 0.242. Therefore, the company pays a penalty of at least 2 lakhs is equal to 0.242. That is 0.242 probability. You can take that the company pays the penalty of rupees 2 lakhs. Second subdivision. The company takes at most 500 days to complete the flyover. That is probability that the company takes at most 500 days. Okay, so that is maximum 500 days. At most is, you can take it as maximum 500 days, that you can write it as P of x is less than or equal to 500. Now your value of x is 500. Just substitute in your formula and get your value of z first. Okay, so when x is equal to 500, z is equal to x is 500 minus mu is 400 divided by sigma is 100. So 500 minus 400 will get 100 divided by 100, that is equal to 1. Therefore, P of x is less than or equal to 500 means you can convert it to z as P of z is less than or equal to the value we have got it as 1. Now you have to shade this region in your diagram. So shading in a diagram, so z is equal to 0 in the middle. So we need z is equal to 1. Okay, so z equal to 1 will be here somewhere. So just draw a straight line to that. And it is less than or equal to 1. So less than or equal to 1 means this side you will have to shade it. So that is less than 1, you will have to shade it. Okay, so this region you will have to cover it. So we have to find the whole shaded region fully. So normally here minus infinity you will have, and here you will have plus infinity. So this whole thing we will have to find it. That is P of z is less than or equal to 1. You can split it up like this, minus infinity to 0, then 0 to 1. If you add it, you will get the whole region. Okay, so I'll just write it as P of minus infinity less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0 plus P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1. Equal to, just change this minus infinity to plus infinity. You can just write it as P of 0 will come here, less than or equal to z, less than or equal to this minus infinity will become plus infinity. Plus your second part asks it as P of 0 less than or equal to z, less than or equal to 1. Now you will have to get this value in your normal distribution table. Okay, so which is equal to, from 0 to infinity, you can see in your table up to 3.9 you will get your value 0.5. More than that it is 0.5 only. So up to infinity you will get 0.5. So I will just declare that as 0.5 plus P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1. So 1 we will have to find it. So here 1.0 already I have marked it here, 0.3413. So that value you will have to take it. That is 0.3413. Adding you will get it as 0.8413. Probability that the company takes at most 500 days to complete the flyover is equal to this answer, that is 0.8413. So this is the answer for your 10th question.